Hi friends, myself Santosh Gorai and I am ready to demonstrate you another new painting of a Varanasi temple. The reference picture is taken from our famous artist Milind Malik sir, and hope you are enjoying my all videos. And today it's a very nice uh, appearance of our famous Varanasi, which is also known as the city of temples basically, and it's a holy place for Hindus. So I have started the sketching. Today also I am using Chitrapat paper. It's a handmade cold pressed 100% cotton paper, and the pencil I am using Camlin pencil. The paper is pretty good texture uh, in the top layer where I am going to paint. So as I said, the sketching is very important. Practice of sketching is very important. I have been uploading the videos very frequently from the last 1 month. Hope you people are enjoying, and if you like my videos, please share and subscribe to my channel. So I am going to sketch the top portion of the dome of the temple. If you go to Varanasi, you will see, everywhere it's a saffron color, and in all over the places chanting bhajan, and all this kind of Hindu holy activities all over the places. There are people who used to go to Varanasi to get moksha. Moksha. It's free from rebirth. So this is another temple I am going to sketch. You can see the overlapping of temples. So this is the second dome I am sketching. As I said, the reference picture I have taken from Milind Malik sir, and all the temples look so beautiful when they club together. It makes a beautiful design, and most of the temples have different shapes on the top, and this is the bank of the river where people go to take bath. And this is Ganga basically, which is a holy river for Indians, and we believe that whenever we take bath over there, we are free from all kind of sins which we have made during our life. So I am trying to make those lines bit darker so that when I apply paint it won't become, you know, non-visible, and I can see the lines clearly. So for darkening the lines I am using Artline 6B pencil. Earlier I was using HB pencil. I have been regularly uploading my videos, and this time also I am uploading because I have seen many other people are liking my watercolor, and I do most of the time watercolor landscape only. So I have finished my sketching part, and now I am going to apply color on it. So this is the first layer where I am applying the color very lightly. So this is the sky, and I am just giving the, you know, I am not coloring the whole sky. I am leaving white spots in some of the places. When it gets dry, it will look fabulous. Watercolor has a magic in it. So when it, slowly when it gets dry, it has got a beautiful essence. So now I am going to dry the upper part so that when I paint the domes of the painting it won't mix with the sky color. So very roughly I am applying, and I am not bothering about the shapes. So this is how I am trying to capture the ambience of the sky. That is why I am applying bit ultramarine with little amount of cerulean blue on it, and trying to cover the full page. Again I am using my dryer to make the video shorten, but when you go to plein air you cannot apply, you cannot use the dryer. So that time it's bit difficult because nature has its own temperature and the paper gets dry as per the ambience temperature. So now I am going to cover the main part of the temple. So it's Crimson Lake. I am applying crimson color on it with a bit of scarlet. This is the main temple. I am trying to focus. Now the top domes with a bit of ultramarine and cobalt. As I am going down, I am increasing the intensity of the color. Yes, so now you can see it's slowly it's getting the shape. Here I have applied a bit amount of orange with crimson and scarlet lake. So I'm using Raphael brush, Raphael number 4, along with many other sable brushes. This is bit burnt sienna with a pinch of crimson lake and yellow ochre. These are the steps which is moving towards the river. Yeah, so this is the background temple. I will make it yellow. Yeah, you can see how it has been designed. All the objects are places one after the other, overlapping, so that it looks beautiful. So this is the temple, which is most of the part of this temple is brown. I mean, I'm using burnt sienna for that. Yeah, so when you paint, you should not get afraid. See, I am using the strokes very freely.